Have you ever given Mercury any thought? The small planet closest to our Sun. How do you envision it? A grey stone flying around in the vast space, or something else? One thing is for sure. Mercury is not a boring flat stone. It has character. A day on Mercury is long. It takes 59 Earth days for the planet to rotate its own axis. Mercury almost appears tidally locked, but instead it is trapped in a rare 3-2 resonance with the Sun, meaning that in 2 years it has rotated 3 times. The strange thing though is that the Sun rises very slowly, so during this time there is only one long solar day. Imagine making a calendar for this. Should you aim for the sunrise, the rotation time, or the orbit? Now, let's get a close-up of Mercury, because it has so much to offer. It has craters, mountains, and ridges, and it even has its own map. Let's start our visit in the Mozart Crater. The crater's diameter is about 225 kilometers. Did you know that all craters on Mercury are named after deceased composers, authors, or artists? North of the Mozart Crater, we find the impressive Caloris Basin, the largest impact structure on Mercury. You find the Caloris Planitia and the Caloris Montes on the map surrounding the basin. The basin itself covers 32% of Mercury's diameter. In the middle, you find the Pantheon Fossae, a beautiful, interesting structure reminding of the Pantheon in Rome. Going up northeast, we find a crater named by the Swedish author August Strindberg. It was named in 1979. The crater is 189 kilometers in diameter. From the northeast, we go south to the adventure Rupes. A Rupes is a cliff named by famous ships. Adventure was one of James Cook's ships. The Rupes is 270 kilometers long. Going west, we find the double-ringed crater Rachmaninoff. It is of interest because it has 2 rings in the crater and a fresh appearance. The basin is one of the lowest locations on Mercury, around 5 kilometers below the average elevation. The name comes from the Russian composer Sergei Rachmaninoff, after the messengers fly by. Another impressive Rupes is the Heemskerck Rupes. The 300-kilometer-long cliff was named by the Dutch ship Heemskerck that arrived in New Zealand in 1642. The Rupes shows signs of tectonic activity on Mercury. Let us finish off with another astonishing composer, Beethoven. The Beethoven crater is a 630-kilometer wide basin at the southern hemisphere of Mercury. Studies place the formation of the basis around 3.7 billion years ago. When we leave Mercury for this time, I hope you have learned more than you knew before, that it is an impressive and interesting world. We will come back once space probe like the Colombo visits a planet.